Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to see 16 Udemy paid courses for free. First course is about project cost management. In this course you are going to learn how to estimate costs for project. Second course is about copywriting, make money from home writing words. In this course you are going to learn to increase your typing speed and some tricks about copywriting. Course number 3 is about full stack app. Course 4 is about full stack web development. And course 5 is about full stack web development course. In course number 6, you are going to learn some public speaking skills. Course number 7 is also about public speaking. And in course number 8, you are going to learn about public speaking using various technologies like PowerPoint, slides, video representation, and many more new things. Course number 9 is about LinkedIn ads. In course number 10, you are going to learn how to rank your website on Google platform. Course number 11 is about digital marketing course for beginners. In this course, you are going to learn how to build an internet marketing strategy for your projects. In course number 12, you are going to learn how to practice your Python practice test for certified Python programmer. In course number 13, you are going to learn many new concepts about firewall. In course number 14, you are going to learn a new language. Course number 15 is related to Microsoft Windows Server. And in last course, you are going to learn making simple games with Python. So that's it guys for today's video. Thank you for watching.